What's up YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. Today I have my fourth and final box of 2018-19 Panini Prizm Mosaic Basketball. As far as new Prizm releases, this should be the last one. I mean, we had Hobby Prizm, Retail Blasters, Retail Rack Packs. We had the Gravity Feeds, Retail boxes, like the actual 24 count boxes. Fast Break, Mosaic now, the Sparkle Packs, and my goodness, we had so much Prizm. Not that it's a bad thing, because I love it, but geez, it feels like we had 24/7 Prizm. And I'll be breaking this box, but I'm also going to be unpackaging something special I got. Something I'm very excited for. I've been actually trying to get this card for a while now. It's a case hit, I'll tell you that, of one of my favorite players. So we'll do that at the end, because I know people want to get into the break. So we know the breakdown Prizm Mosaic. And this stuff comes with 3 packs. I think there's, 10 cards per pack. And you can get about 4 autos in every case, 12-box case. And every pack will have probably a number card. The number cards in here are the purple and oranges. Hold on, I just bumped into the camera. Get that a little better. There we go. So yeah, purple and oranges, the camos, gold, black, all that kind of stuff. So we pulled a Jokic, we pulled that Shea, and we pulled a Jaren. I actually can't find the Jaren right now, so I just put the Shea in the back and this Brunson. So we'll get into this box right now. This is $100 on Panini's site, and it's fun stuff. It looks good. Once again, I've said this a million times, but I as much as I like this design, I kind of wish they kept the original one, like they did in previous Mosaic releases, because I like having like for example, if you have all your Jarens like colors and you have one of these ones and it just looks a little different, I kind of like that pattern, on the base design. Thought it would have looked cool. So there you go. Get the thing off. Once again, this box is so small. Here's my hand. It's like just bigger than my palm. So we'll get these packs out. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, okay, there we go. Go 2 and 1. Empty box. All right. So we can expect, hopefully, either 3 number cards or 2 number cards and an auto. That'd be nice. I wonder if there's like, very rare hot boxes where you can get 2 autos. Sometimes that's a little bonus, you get that. But you never know. Still don't think I have a single Luka or Trey. I might have maybe 1 Trey, but I can't remember if I do. I know I don't have any Lukas. Not even a base. So hoping our luck turns around now. Empty pack. Let's see what we got. Oh, we have orange. Almost just revealed the whole thing. Alright, so Aaron Gordon. Once again, this is the base design. We have a nice rookie on the back. He's number 1 in the set. We have a DeAndre Ayton rookie. Ayton, if he can become a better defender, I think he's already a really good player. I like him. I have a lot of his cards, actually. So hopefully he pans out. We have a Mike Conley, Gordon Hayward, and Aaron Gordon. All right. 14 of 99. Sweet. So Aaron Gordon hot pack. Cool. Sleeve him up and put him here. All right. We have a nice rookie of Miles Bridges, green, and Zaire Smith. Cool. We'll put that here. And here's the Zaire Smith. So these ones aren't numbered. The I believe blue, red, and green are not numbered. I don't know why, but just like that. We got Brown, Beal, and Booker. I'd love to hit like a gold LeBron with this beautiful Lakers gold and purple. All right, next pack. So we got some 3 nice rookies in there. 3, 4 rookies, something like that. Not bad. Oh, uh-oh. Yoo-hoo. You guys see that? Alright. Shea. I'm actually nervous. I really hope and pray it's a rookie. Or a Braun. Josh Okogie. Alright, so next. We'll quickly pull these ones. We have Kemba Walker. Tristan Thompson. Jaren Jackson Jr. Triple J. Jokic. Got the auto of him in the second box, I think it was. We have Jason Tatum, blue. Grayson Allen, now a Grizzly, so that's actually a nice PC one. And then here we go. Let's see what our gold is. Please be a rookie. Oh, not a rookie. So Ben Simmons. Oh, and Ben Simmons. All right, so we have double Simmons. That's not bad. I mean, considering you can get like, I don't know, who's someone in here? I don't know, maybe like a Gordon Hayward gold. 7 of 10. I'll take it. Gold looks beautiful. And Ben Simmons is a very good player. If he can get a jump shot, he's unstoppable. Because unlike a lot of players, he can do literally everything except shoot. And it's just crazy. I mean, if I were him, nonstop in the gym, shoot. Like, maybe eat, but you got to bring the food to me, you know? All right, now we're going to pull a black 1 of 1 right here. So just quickly, 1 second, please. No, no black 1 of 1. You can actually see these. Like, I'm holding it straight. I can still see the orange, green. So, interesting packs, yeah. I could see that immediately. Like, even like this in a way, I can still see it. Interesting. Landry Shamet. Dennis Smith Jr. Montrezl Harrell. Jamal Murray. We have an orange here. It's not a rookie. It's Drew Holiday. And Drew Holiday. 90 of 99. That's actually hilarious. All the packs so far, we have one guy, and then we have the next guy. We had Aaron Gordon, and then we had Ben Simmons. We had Ben Simmons, and Drew again. And Kristaps. Oh, jeez, that scared me. I thought that was a rookie. I like this design so much. I don't know why they didn't use this. Now look at that. With the kind of like the rookies from the actual Prizm set. Why didn't they use that? That looks great. You know, like the action shot is cool, but I kind of like the other ones. Grayson Allen, Miles Bridges, and Curry. So it's been a pretty solid box. Out of my 4 boxes, I think I did fine. Pretty good, you know. Grayson Allen, Miles Bridges, Landry Shamet, Jaren Jackson, Josh Okogie, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, DeAndre Ayton. Out of 4 boxes, unless I'm forgetting a Trey, no Trey, and if I definitely didn't hit a Luka. We have a KP, and Drew. Ben Simmons Gold, Grayson Allen, Tatum, Zaire Smith, Miles Bridges, and Aaron Gordon. So definitely the highlight of the box. I was hoping we'd hit a gold. Not a rookie, not a bronze, but Ben Simmons is pretty good. This guy is just a stud. Must get that jump shot though. Must. He gets that and it's GG. So there we go. So that's the break. Once again, I'm gonna have to replace my Instagram. If you haven't followed it already, go check it out. A lot of cool stuff on there. Come on, Ben. There we go. Nice and neat. Instagram will just chill here. And I have a package talking about PC stuff. Something I really wanted and got it. Slice this open real quick. Actually, let me move these guys out of the way. Don't want to mess them up. Alright. So, this product came out not like a long time ago, but it came out a while ago, and I just never saw the price I liked. Then the price went up, and I was like, oh my goodness, great. And then all of a sudden someone listed one for like, I don't want to say dirt cheap, but cheap enough, and I just immediately bought it. Didn't hesitate. Watch it not be the card I think it is. Okay. Empty. Oh, I showed it. Oh, whoops. Okay. Hey, ooh, look at that cut. All right, here we go. Jaren Jackson Jr. We got that perfect tape up there. Number 15. Beautiful back. Wonder what this could be. Is it a... Oh, it's from Cornerstones, and it's a... Boom. Downtown. Look at these. I don't think these should... I mean... I think they should be in football, but maybe not so much downtown. I think they should come up with their own version. These were like the From Downtowns from Studio in 2016-17 Studio Basketball, and they carried it over, you know, for different products. I think it was, I forgot what it was in last year, but this year was in Cornerstones, and looks really good. But then for football, then they put it in Donruss, and they put it in Donruss Optic football. And they didn't make it a case hit. It was supposed to be maybe, but then it started popping out like 4 every case, something like that, or 6 every case. But yeah, really nice. Jaren Jackson Jr. from downtown. Love this card. I was kind of uneasy. I didn't think I would get this card because the price went up to like 90 to 100 ish, and then I thought it was going up and up. I was seeing listings for higher, and then all of a sudden one just listed really cheap, and I got it. So very happy to get this card in my collection. And highlights of the day: it's beautiful Jaren and and this nice Ben Simmons. So that'll do it for this video. Very happy with this box. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and sub, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.